In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize your Gmail inbox by AI. To get started, open Gmail and sign into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, the first thing you want to do is look for the Gemini Sparkle icon in Gmail. This opens the built-in AI panel, which can help you review your email activity and suggest practical ways to organize it. If you don't see this feature, keep in mind that it may only be available with an eligible Google Workspace or Google AI plan. After opening the AI panel, ask it to analyze your recent emails and suggest categories for organizing your inbox. A simple prompt like, "Analyze my recent emails and suggest categories for organizing my inbox," works well. The goal here is to let the AI identify patterns in your messages so you can build a system that matches the way you actually use email, instead of guessing what categories you might need. Once you have those suggestions, start creating categories or labels based on the types of emails you receive most often. Common examples include work, clients, finance, important, personal, newsletters, invoices, and follow-up required. These labels help separate your inbox into clear groups, making it easier to find messages quickly and stay focused on what matters most. Try to keep your labels useful and specific, but not overly complicated. After deciding on your categories, the next step is to use Gmail filters so incoming emails are automatically labeled for you. To do that, go to Settings, then See All Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses, and click Create a New Filter. This is where Gmail lets you define rules for how messages should be organized as they arrive. Now set the filter based on the kind of emails you want to sort. For example, you might filter emails from a specific sender or messages where the subject contains a word like invoice. Then choose the option to apply a label, such as finance. This is where the organization becomes automatic, which is the real time saver. Finally, if you want Gmail to organize older matching emails too, turn on the option that says also apply filter to matching conversations. That way, you're not just improving future email management, you're cleaning up your existing inbox at the same time. With this setup, Gmail becomes much easier to manage, and your inbox stays organized with far less manual effort.